Okay, I want to go to bed. It's 10:52 p.m. I hear something outside. Seriously? 10:52 on a Thursday night. They're working on the railroad. I'm going to hear this all night. It's going to make me cranky. I don't want to hear this all night. I see red flashy lights, white flashy lights, probably weird men with helmets with lights on. And this is what I have to look forward to all night long. The men are working on the railroad at 10:52 at night. Why they can't do it during the day? I'm not sure. Weird lights. Seriously looks like there's aliens back there. And it's possessed. Not cool. They're always working on the railroad. Welcome to my world. Night.